Christian, in terms of this idea of scope to price, which is one of the biggest themes and in the surveys and in the information I received from both our general audience and also from the attendees, this is one of the most mysterious things. How much should you charge for a project if you're a service provider? And a lot of that depends on scale and on the type of projects that you do. Oshyn happens to do a lot of content management projects for enterprise clients, meaning large corporate clients. And you have a unique way. How do you come up with pricing? Like, talk about that spreadsheet you have that does magic.
Yeah, I think I was saying before that I think every services company or contractor has a magic spreadsheet that they use, and the longer that you've been in this business, the more things get added to that spreadsheet, and then the more things get added to that spreadsheet, the higher your pricing is going to be. And you know, the dichotomy between should you go with agile or go with the fixed price, that means, you know, if you're going to sell or buy agile, you don't have to try to predict and itemize everything up front and add in and calculate in all the risk and calculate in all of the potential pitfalls that you're going to have into that spreadsheet. If you're going with something that's fixed price, variable scope, or any combination of variable scope, then it's much more aligned with how software is actually built. It's much more aligned with the things that typically happen on projects. So anytime that you're trying to fix price a project for a customer, you know, the spreadsheet is an example of what Heather was saying is a bottom up. The top down is just kind of a guess of how many people it's going to take and how many weeks it's going to take. And typically, if we're doing a fixed price bid, we'll do both of those to see how they come out. And a lot of times they'll come out not very close to each other, you know. And you need to kind of go through the process of predicting. And that's really what it is. You're trying to predict what's going to happen 4 months from now. And it's hard, and it's fraught with errors, and you know, probably more than 75% of the time, it's wrong.
Interesting. So you're saying that anytime that you estimate, you're always wrong, pretty much.
I'm always wrong.
Wow.
I've been doing it for
a long time.
10 years, and I'm always wrong.
Yeah.
And the thing is, and when you come up with that magic spreadsheet, every line item that you put on it, every number of hours that you put next to each line is wrong. And you know that, but what you're hoping is that the overall variability between each task makes up for the variability in the other tasks, so that you can overall come out not losing your shirt. And you're crossing your fingers.
Wow.